It's so special, what it feels when I'm with you. You got me doing things I never thought I'd do. Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'll be sharing with you my wash day routine, and I'll also make a review about some products I got that I will be using in this video. So I'm going to be taking down this hair I have on. I recently had a gel updo in my hair, so I'm trying to take that down so that I can start with my washing procedures. Just so you know, ain't never let you go. You're my home. Just so you know, you're mine for sure. This is Oriflame Love Nature shampoo. It's a 2-in-1 shampoo, and I really like this shampoo because it has avocado oil, and when I use it on my hair it feels so soft and it's just so gentle on my hair. I've been using this for some months now, and I mean, you should try it out if you want to have a change of shampoo that you use. So I really like to always wash my hair in sections, but because of the gel I had on, my hair was really tightly packed together and was fragile, so I couldn't. So that is why I'm just washing everything together. It's so special, what it feels when I'm with you. You got me doing things I never thought I'd do. Just so you know, ain't never let you go. You're my home. Just so you know, you're mine for sure. I'm just going to wash twice because of the product I used while I was making the gel, so I can properly wash it off. So after that, I'm going to rinse off, then continue with the process. You're mine for sure. Yeah. You're mine for sure. After applying my shampoo, I'll go ahead to rinse off, then it's time to apply the conditioner. I recently got this XHC banana conditioner, and god, the smell is so great, and I hope it's actually so great on my hair too, because this is the first time I'm trying this product. It's called the Expel Hair Care Banana Condition. So I'm just going to go ahead to massage gently into my hair and walk through to the ends of my hair too, so it just sits in properly. I'm going to do this and leave it for 3 to 5 minutes, and I think by then I would know if I really like this kind of conditioner, and maybe I'd want to try it again. So guys, this conditioner is making my hair so sleek and shiny too. I mean, it's smooth as I run my hands through my hair, and I think I will try it again because the previous kind of conditioner I've used, my hair just gets sleek, but in the next 2 minutes or so it just get frizzled again. but this is actually different, and you know, I love the smell. I love how it makes my hair feel after applying it, so I'll definitely try it again. Yeah, I would. After rinsing out the conditioner, I'm going to be using this Mega Growth Daily Leave-In Strengthener. I was actually looking for a leave-in conditioner to use before I saw this, and I decided to try it out. So I'm going to apply it on my hair to just, you know, unlock tangles and just for, you know, added moisture in my hair. So I'm going to leave that in. I'm not going to rinse it out. You have to like leave it in. And I think this is the second time I'll be using this product, and I realized that my hair feels strengthened, and the amount of shedding I had really reduced. So, you know, actually the root strengthening, restore and repair, and I feel that it's really doing that. So I'll gently apply from the roots to the ends of my hair and leave that in. But there's another way you can use this product for deep penetration. You know, just apply to your hair for 10 minutes and, you know, activate the heat. Maybe just use a plastic cap or sit under a dryer, so that way, you know, the product sits into your hair properly. But today I'm not going to be doing that, so I'm just going with the usual applying from the roots to the ends of my hair. So I'm going to be twisting my hair into sections, and that's just to have a protective style on, and my hair feels really soft after I use this leave-in straightener. So guys, that's all for my wash day routine. It's so simple, you can also try it out. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, like, comment and also subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.